Good afternoon, seventh graders. Mr. Brennan here, going to explain what I would like you to do today. First, I would like you to um, watch this NOVA video that is talking about embryonic development, and I want you to go back and look at those notes that I had you complete yesterday. And you're going to look through these last few slides and then just be able to answer these questions kind of to yourself. We'll come back on Tuesday and we'll talk about those. On how there and why there are similarities within early development of many animals, and that is showing our evidence for evolution. Next, you're going to watch the cladograms video. This is kind of just an instructional video on how they use them. I've also attached the notes if you want to go through those and watch those as well too. And then you're going to jump into the practice, the cladogram practice. And what you're going to do here is we're looking at a shark, tuna, frog, human, hare or rabbit, caiman, a parrot, T-Rex with that. Okay, you're going to use this folder number 4 when you click on this link. It takes you here and you're going to kind of go through this, and then it will kind of lead you through your directions and what you need to do. Using a cladogram to kind of help you answer those questions on this. Okay, you're going to use a plus or a minus for your data. Does it have it or does it not? Or a question mark if you don't know with those. Okay, you can see that. Once you've completed these modules, I'm not having you do module 3, it was just a vocab one. With that, who is the closest relative to the T-Rex? Looking for a paragraph response. A paragraph is 5 to 6 sentences, complete sentences. Make sure you kind of fill that in on there. And then on this last one, explain how using the cladogram help you to answer the question, who's the closest relative to the T-Rex? Once again, a paragraph response, 5 to 6 sentences. Be thorough in your response. Remember, there's no Google Meet today. I'm going to be at a track meet. So just do your absolute best that you can. In person, there's a sub in here. So just do the very best that you can in filling these out. And if you have questions, just hang on to them until Tuesday. Monday, I'm going to be gone as well, too. All right. Good luck fishing. Have a great weekend.